How to put two videos in one screen on CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to put two videos in the same screen using your CapCut app? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your CapCut, choose the video of your choice, and now first you'll need to change the aspect ratio. So you see the icons in the bottom, swipe to the left, go to aspect ratio and choose the ratio of your choice. And once you have chosen it, you will need to find the overlay option. Go ahead and tap on it, tap on add overlay, choose another video from your gallery, tap on add, and you'll need to wait for a while to load, and then you can place it anywhere above, below, by the side of the original video that you are already working on. So you can just pinch it and decrease the size, and then you can also move the original video around, and like this you can easily put two videos in one screen. So there you go. It's as simple as that. Now, after you're done editing, just tap on export in the top right. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.